Well, now every time I use one of Becky's tools, I will remember my best friend. So on with the project. I had bare basement pipes after removing all the asbestos from the pipes. Wonderful insulation, but it had to go. So I replaced it all with foam. Let's take a look. It's the largest I could find. 2 7/8 inside diameter. Short of buying some mystery foam from China that comes in larger rolls. This is the biggest I could find locally at the big box stores. I love zip ties. I'm starting with getting the longer lengths of pipe done first, where I can use a full length of foam and work my way down to the shorter lengths. Trying to be as efficient as possible. I learned the hard way to pull this score apart after I cut it to length. It gets a little mushy when you're cutting and you've already split the seam. Gorgeous. The foam just barely fits around the pipe. I had to do a lot of shopping to find all the right size foam. You'd think maybe there are only 2 or 3 different size pipes, but when you count the joints, the corners, probably got 9 or 10 different dimensions, diameters. So here I'm taking off what I had up there previously. You can see it didn't quite, wasn't quite the diameter I needed. It didn't touch on the top. It always pays to hold off. I didn't think I could find the right diameter foam, but I did. I think it was True Value, and they didn't have it on the shelf. But I asked them, and they were able to special order it. So it never hurts to ask. I hope your winters stay cozy, and please enjoy the time you have with the ones you love. And thanks for watching.